from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, I swear I never thought it would matter.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Shequita, Beauty by Qui, here on Qui TV. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. On today's video, we will be creating this cute little eye look. You know, I like to give myself a little pat on the back every now and again. So if you're interested in seeing how I accomplish this, then please stay tuned. I am going to be using the Profusions. I'm going to be dabbing into this Festival palette and this Mirage palette. And then I'm going to take this sticky part off, and I like to just lay it on the inside of the lid for reference. But these are the colors, and I thought they were like so pretty. You got some yellows, you got some browns, you got some orange, pinks, purples, blue, and more like neutrals on this side. And then I also, well, I've already started playing in the Mirage palette, but only like a few of the colors. And then these also have like the press glitters, which I've never tried Profusion's press glitters, but I don't know if you can see it, but it looks a little decent, right? So yeah, we're gonna try to create something between these two palettes, and yeah, let's get started. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab this purple shade right here, Horizon. Yes, I'm gonna grab the shade Horizon. What am I talking? Horizon. I'm gonna grab that, and I'm gonna pat that on into my crease. Yo, do you see the color payoff on this? Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And just to let you know, all I used was the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer. And I'll put like the shades and the actual names of the products in the description box below. Oh, I could just keep packing this on and just... Whew, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this. The next brush that I'm going to use is the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the second shade, which the second shade I am going to go into is this pink. Wait, this pink right here. And give yourself a loose handle, a loose grip on the shadow. And then I'm just going to grab a little bit of this shade right here. And this shade is Fuego, and I'm going to put it right on top of Clueless. And then we're just going to go back in with Horizon and make sure we don't lose that color payoff. Just like that. And then you can blend a little bit into that pink shade, because we just used that pink shade as a nice transition between the colors. And blend very lightly as you go upward, okay? Because we still want to see those other colors, but we just want to make sure that that purple isn't just sitting there. Then I'm going to use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Cut the crease. Now, if you are a beginner, I would not suggest you do what I just did. I'm going to start with the color Horizon first on the outer part of this cut crease. Then I want to go back into Clueless for a good transition. And then I want to go into a nice orange, and for that I'm going into the Festival palette, and I am going to grab the shade Beat, which is this shade right here. Okay, and then after that, I think I want to go into the yellow, which I'm going to grab the shade Sunnies, which is this shade right here. And then now we're getting ready to go into mascara and my lashes. Okay, and for lashes, I'm going to use these right here. And these come from AliExpress, and I'll put the name and the style in the description box below. And I am just going to like cut them to fit my eyes. And if you guys want a tutorial on that, then let me know and I'll get that out for you. Okay, and then in the meantime for that, I'm going to go ahead and use the LA Girls Liquid Matte Liner.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights.
And now for the lower lash, I am going to first line it with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl eyeliner in the shade Baby's Got Black. And then once I go with that, I'm going to start going in with the same exact colors that I did on the top lid. Okay, so I just want my lower lashes to look a little thicker, so I'm going to use the CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplified Primer, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lashes. And then I'm using my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So that's pretty much it for this eye. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off of camera. We'll go ahead and do our lips together, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am all finished with the eyes, and I really love the way that it turned out, because girl, I thought I had done lost my touch. I thought that the blending gods had left me, so I had to, you know, play and, you know, get my creativity back. And not that I, you know, was in like a funk, but I was really starting to get into like clothing videos. And follow me on Instagram, because, you know, I done started posting full body pictures of myself, and I've been really enjoying it because it kind of encourages me more and more to accept myself in the current state. And I would encourage you for 2020 to also do the same. And I think it looks cute, don't you think so? You know, is my mic on? Gotta make sure, because sometimes these electronics they be playing you. They be low-key like trying you like act up, nigga, get snatched up, like make the stallion say. But anyway, we're gonna go on to lips. I wanted to include some lips in this video. So I'm gonna line my lips with Old Faithful, the color Icon Khol liner in the shade Simma Brown. And then for lips, I'm going to use the Queen. I'm pronouncing it right. It's qveen. And this is the matte lip satin in the shade Thick Skin. And I got this from my January BoxyCharm subscription. You see, it's like a cute little peachy nude. I really like it, especially because my skin has a lot of red undertones. Can y'all hear that rain? It's already like 40 degrees outside here in Florida, and then now I got the nerve to rain. So it's really being disrespectful to us Floridians. I don't know what's the problem. We ain't did nothing to this weather. All we do is appreciate it and wear our sandals and tank tops, and it's being like high-key disrespectful, period. Okay, you guys, so this is all for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and would like more in-depth eye tutorial videos, then you already know what to do. Show this video lots of love, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below some color ideas. Maybe you got a wedding coming up. If you prefer for me to do the face and the eyes together in one tutorial, then also make sure you comment down below. Tell me, speak, open your mouth, To all my OGs who's been watching my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys for believing in little old me. And to the new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for joining Qui TV. I know y'all been noticing the branding. I'm branding myself. I'm taking this serious in 2020, where videos will be coming out every week. I don't care what it is. It's coming out every week, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I will see you on next week for our next video. Talk to you later. Bye. Wow. Oh, and it's a cute Valentine's Day look too. I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but this is cute for Valentine's Day. If you trying to take them to the place, you got to beat the face. That's on period. Period. What in the hell was that? Bye, y'all.